Boom, 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 boom. Andrew, you know you're in the video, right?
I know now.
Hello. We are on vacation.
We are on a cruise.
So,
we are. That's for the One Piece fans out there. You feel me?
Today is Friday. No, I lied. Today's Saturday, September 10th. Yesterday, we flew into Orlando. We stayed with lovely Delaney for the day. We hung out with her. And then we drove to Port Canaveral, outside of Orlando. You know where they rock it? What do they do? What do they do? What do they do?
Go to space.
People go to space here. So we came here to board our cruise. We're on a 7-day cruise. We're on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Our stops are in the Bahamas, Dominican Republic, and Turks and Caicos. It's 7 days, and I'm so excited. We just got here. I'm gonna put in some footage of whatever I got because I wasn't recording anything, so I have a little snippet here and there, just random things, and I'll put that in so you can see a little bit of our travels. The boat doesn't leave until 4, so we are unpacking our stuff, getting settled in. Might go exploring a little bit now, maybe grab a drink. I got a little room tour on my phone. Grab the stuff.
Oh, I got a. You see my name? Lemon.
Well, it's heavy. You open it. Thank you. It's cozy. I like this too.
I like it.
Turn the light on. Oh.
This is an extra sleeping area? Oh, a little fun.
When you piss me off, that's where you're sleeping.
I might sleep up here anyway.
No, Amanda, don't leave me.
Little bunk bed. That's lit. Oh yeah.
So this is the bathroom. A toilet bowl cleaner. Shampoo the shower gel. It's a king.
I like it.
But I heard they just put 2 twins together. This is our closet. Ooh, Andrew, I'm excited. Oh, because I'm that bitch. Oh. Me and Solomon have never been on a cruise, and I was afraid of getting motion sickness, so I didn't want a window or a balcony. We did this on purpose. I'm terrified, first of all, of boats of this size because of the T word. And yeah, I think this is for baby. Solomon brought it down for no reason. Now he can't put it back up. But yeah, we unpacked. And Solomon's about to put his stuff up. So yeah, like I told you guys our stops. We did buy some excursions. We didn't book anything in the Dominican Republic because we just didn't know what to do. And everybody keeps saying that it's like cheaper to buy stuff off the boat, so we're leaving that one to see. But we did book some stuff with the boat and with the cruise line. In the Bahamas, we're gonna swim with the dolphins. And in Turks and Caicos, I just hear it's so beautiful there. So we bought like this private beach, and we're gonna like do rum tasting with this open bar and just chill and enjoy the scenery. So I'm excited for that.
Private beach, rum tasting, right up my alley.
Come with us on our vacation. Hopefully I can get some decent footage for you guys. I'm trying to enjoy myself, so if you don't see anything, that's why I'm having fun. And yeah. Solly's afraid of planes.
I'm afraid of the plane.
I'm afraid of boats. Here we are, conquering our fears together. Hold me. Conquering our fears together. T-word.
For those of you that don't know, the T-word is Titanic. Don't tell Angie I told you.
Don't say that. I'm not saying that for the next week. It's just T-word. So yeah. See you guys soon. Buster station. Why do you have shades on?
Well, honestly, I thought we was gonna go outside, and it's a little dim in here. Let me take them off.
This is the muster. They're gonna teach us about life
I'm trying to
vests.
figure out, somebody sitting right here, is like a lap dance thing? Like, who's gonna sit here
I would sit there.
and put their feet, sit there?
No.
Like, what happened right
Table in between. Amanda's got off the toes.
I got a pedicure. Yay. You feel me? They was talking junk about my feet in the place, but hey, you feel me? We got it done.
They say I'm a rapper, but now I say no. Say what you doing, baby. Come on now.
Get it, Amanda. Go.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth.